Hello, my dear client. Today, let me show you about this new project at Yas Island, the Canopies. So we can see in Abu Dhabi, they are composed by few islands. There are 3 islands belong to Aldar. Aldar is the largest developer in Abu Dhabi. So about 6% of all the development of the residential apartments and villas belong to Aldar. So we have 3 islands: Saadiyat Island, Fahid Island, and also Yas Island. So this is one static island. This one is closer to the Rim Island, also downtown Abu Dhabi. So the price is also the most expensive one. It's about 5,000 dirham per square feet. This is Fahid Island, which is in the middle. So it's between Saadiyat Island and also Yas Island. So the price is also in the middle. Yas Island is, we can say, the most affordable island for Aldar of all in Abu Dhabi. Let's see what it has in Yas Island. So this is Yas Island, the whole development. We can see it is a real island because around it all by waters. In this side is the sea view, and also this side also have the sea view, and this side is have the water canals. This is the whole Disneyland area. Here have one golf course we're calling Yas Golf Links. And also here have the Warner Bros. World, Ferrari World, SeaWorld. And also here have the hotels, ET Arena. This W Hotel, also this area we are also calling the Formula One. This is the Yas Bay. Have a lot of restaurants. Here have the Yas Beach. So we can see this area also have the beach development. We come in very near future. So all the communities here all launched, and also like the field development, like the villas are ready, like the West Yas, they're all ready villas, and also we can see 30% of the whole island is already developed. So like the Ferrari World and also the SeaWorld, the Warner Bros. World. So yearly it already have like a 38 million tourists. The Yas Golf Links, the golf course is ready, and also here the golf course are already. So let's look into this new development we are calling Yas Canopies. So by this map, we can see in this side you can see the canal, and this side is the villa view and also the canal view. This is the golf course view, and this side also have the greenery, the community views. This is the boulevard because here we have some buildings in the future. So this side we also have some building. So this side we have partially the canal views, but this side we have the canal views. So the locations matters the most. We can see it's just walking distance can arrive the Disneyland. So in the future here we also have the Sphere from Las Vegas. So in the world only Las Vegas and also Abu Dhabi we have this Sphere. They are all the reasons why it's good for investment. Let's talk about it's the closest community to the Disneyland. We can see the market like Shanghai and also Japan. When the Disneyland come to the community, the price for the apartment is a turnover like 2 or 3 times. That's why it's really good opportunity to enter into the market. Let's see what it indeed have. So we can see this totally have 6 buildings. In another side is the whole island view. This side is the villas, and also this is the villas, and this side is the boulevard. Just partially we have the water views. And that side, we can say it also have the direct, in that two buildings direct have the water views. So let's see the connections. This is 6 minutes to the airport, 6 minutes to Warner Bros. World, 7 minutes to the Ferrari World, and 8 minutes to Yas Water World, 11 minutes to Aldar Island, and 27 minutes to Yas Island. Let's see closer. This is building 1, building 2, building 3, building 4, building 5, and building 6. So let's see. In the center, we have the community views, have a lot of greeneries, the children's play area, and also the swimming pools have very large greenery, and also the building distance is very far. So in that side is the villas. So this side have the boulevard. So all of the buildings have very good distance, we can say. Very low density, and all of the buildings are only G+8, and only building 5, 8 is G+9. Very, very rare low density community. Let's see the layout and also the views. This is building 1. Let's see the building 1. Inside the community views and villa views, and this side you can see partially water views and also partially the sea views. This is building 1. Let's see the typical floor plans. So this is a very typical floor plan from floor 1 to floor 8. Each floors are all same. So the unit 1 and in unit 1 is 1 bedroom. Unit 2 is 2 bedroom. Unit 3 1 bedroom. Unit 4 is 3 plus maid. Unit 5 is 2 bedroom. Unit 6, 7, 8, 9 is studio. Unit 10 is 1 bedroom. Unit 11 is 2 bedroom. 12 2 bedroom. 13 2 bedroom. 14 is 3 plus maid. 14 is 2 plus maid. 15 is 1 bedroom. So this is building 1, the floor plans. We can see all the floors are completely 100% same. From unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, totally 15 units per floor, and 1 3 plus maid, 1 2 plus maid. There are 4 studios and 4 1 bedroom. The 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom. 3 in front and 1 in the behind. So there are 4 2 bedroom as well. 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 2 bedroom. 3 in behind, and this is 3 plus maid. This is 2 plus maid. 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom. So totally 5 bedroom, and 4 in the other side and 1 in front side. So 1 3 plus maid, 1 2 plus maid. This is building 1. Now let's see the building 2. This is building 2. You can see it has the community views and also villa views and water views. This is building 2. Let's see some typical floors, the floor plans. You can see totally it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one totally have 15 units as well. So the unit 1, 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 3 plus maid, 2 bedroom, studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and this one bedroom and 2 bedroom. All of the floors are same. Let's see the building 3. This is building 3. It's a little bit small, so it has water view, the villa view, the community views. This is building 3. It's beautiful. Let's see the typical floors. Let's start from Unit 1. Unit 1 is studio, 1 bedroom. This is 2 bedroom. This is 3 plus maid. This is 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom. This is how many bedroom? This is the 2 bedroom. This is a 3 plus maid. Now let's see Tower 4. This is Tower 4. You can see it has villa view, very open view, the golf course view, and also have the community view, the whole island view, the golf course view. Let's see the typical floors. Floor 6. This is the 1 bedroom. This is the 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom. This is the 3 plus maid. This 2 bedroom. Studio. This is 2 plus maid. This is 2 bedroom. 1 bedroom. 1 bedroom. And this is a 2 bedroom too. Totally 11 units per floor. So let's see. This is a 2 bedroom, 3 plus maid, 2 bedroom, studio. This is 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 2 plus maid, and this is 2 bedroom too. So this is floor plan for the Tower 5. Now let's see the Tower 6. Tower 6 is this one, a little bit smaller. It has very beautiful the community views, the boulevard views, and the partial water views we can see. Now let's see the typical floor plans. This is studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 plus maid. This is 2 plus maid, 1 bedroom, and this is 2 bedroom. This is 3 plus maid, and this is 2 bedroom. So this is the floor plan for the Tower 6.